Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe down to turn off your device. Once your phone turns off, hold the power button and volume down. And you want to let go of the power button once the REALME logo shows up on the screen. There we go. Now from here, select your desired language. That will be English for me. And here we have a couple options. So we have format data, which consists of just factory reset. It's locked by a code that you need to just put in here, which is generated randomly. Then we have a reboot device and power off, which are two ways of leaving this mode. So I'm going to select reboot device, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.